is probably the coolest thing we could have done for Easter.
Yeah, it is. It's like the best thing.
Yeah, 12 out of 10.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Being on this train is quite literally taking a ride into the past. As a living, breathing, moving exhibition, what I found so neat was the preservation of rail. This feeling that, yes, I had stepped back to the 1890s. Couldn't help but overwhelm me this entire time. And it brought me back to a time, honestly, that I wish we had a little bit more of.